What's going on? It's your boy Mr. Sprayed On, and today, man, we are talking about Apollo from Do It Fragrances. So, came in this box. Sounds like there's some samples in here too, so maybe that'll be another video in the future. But we're focusing on Apollo today. This is gonna be my unboxing and initial impressions. So, if you want to know more about the fragrance, you already know what to do. Stay tuned. So all 30 milliliter Do It Fragrances come standard in this box. They redesigned it a little while ago, so now it opens up like a book like this, and like I said, we got some samples in here. So this one is blueberry brandy, and this one is blackberry truffle cake. Sounds delicious, but we're talking about Apollo today. So go ahead and get this up out of here. Now this is an inspired expressions of Frederic Malle's The Moon, which falls under the Desert Gems collection. So I haven't smelled the original. I should be smelling the original soon. Stay tuned, but we got this for now. See how this compares. Okay, it's pretty strong from the atomizer already. I'm going to spray it on this arm. Nice atomizer. Okay. Okay. Wow. This is strong. Off rip, you get hit with this raspberry, this woody raspberry. And the raspberry is super juicy, super ripe. It's almost candy-like. But then you get that oud in the background, giving it that really wet, woody, damp. Not really funky though. Not super funky. It's just maybe a tinge of funk. Just a tinge, but it's nothing crazy. This is wow. Okay, so I'm gonna pull up the official notes. Alright, so I also have the notes pulled up here, and we have violet, rose, raspberry, agarwood, olibanum, rose, red currant, red berries, patchouli, sandalwood, and amber. So did forget to mention the rose. It's kind of giving this floral nature to it, but really, when you first spray, you get just a blast of berries and wood. This is nice. I will probably, off initial impression, I will dress this up nighttime, special occasion, or a daytime even, but probably not crazy on the spray, because like I said, this stuff is like projecting off of my arm. But this is a nice fragrance. I can't wait to compare this to the original and see how they compare, if it's worth having the original and what have you. But hey, so far, I'm impressed with this. Yeah, this is good. If you like raspberry, if you like oud, definitely check out Apollo from Do It Fragrances. All right, y'all, that's my unboxing and initial impressions of Apollo, which is inspired by Frederic Malle's The Moon. I love this artwork, by the way. I forgot to mention that. But again, just to reiterate, this is raspberry. More of that rose is coming to the forefront now, so it's not as oudy in your face. Raspberry, rose, oud. Then you also get this instance is starting to come through now in the amber, so it's kind of giving this resinous, sweet nature to it as well. Really feeling the stuff. If any of that sounds appealing to you, be sure to check it out. I'm not sponsored in any way. I bought this with my own money, but at the time of recording this video, they're doing a 30% sale on their website. So, you know, that's a pretty good deal to get these bottles, and they already don't cost that much. So, hey, shoot your shot. But anyways, that's all I got for you today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, because we appreciate all support that we get to the channel. And you already know what time it is. I'm your boy, Mr. Sprayed On, signing off. Peace.